How to create an account on Max.com. Open your web browser and go to the official Mac website at www.max.com. Look for Sign Up or Create Account option on the website's homepage and click on it. Enter your personal information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and any other required details in the sign up form. Choose a strong password for your account to ensure security. You have to read and agree to Max.com's terms and conditions, privacy policy, and any other relevant agreements. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Max.com. Click on the verification link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you'll be redirected to the Max.com website where you can complete the registration process. Optionally, you can personalize your account by adding additional information such as your address, profile picture, or your preferences. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Max.com account has been successfully created. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Max.com account has been successfully created. Use your email address and password to log into your newly created Max.com account. Now you're ready to explore and utilize the features and services offered by Max.com with your newly created account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.